All right, we're back. And today, with Loving and Learning Hill, we're going to just refresh our minds on understanding place value. And we're just going to start off dealing with the tens place and the ones place. So the number you see is 74. There are 3 different ways that we can show 74. We can show it pictorial. We can just show it the number, which you see right now. And we can show the expanded form. So let me show you. First thing we see, we have 7 tens, 4 ones. So we have T-O. And so 7 and 4, or 74, we can use rods and units. So this right here is a rod. A rod is worth 10. $10, $20, $30, $40, $50, $60, $70. And we have to remember that the number that's the placeholder in the tens place, it always has a sneaky 0 behind it. So don't fall for sneaky Pete. That's not 7. That's 7D. Now, when we go to the ones place, we use units. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's how we show it pictorial. Now we can also show it expanded. So we know that this is not 7, it's really 7D plus 4 equals 74. So those are the 3 different ways: pictorial, numerical, expanded. Now, I'm going to put a new number up here, and you can use your at-home whiteboard or a piece of paper, and I want you to show me the 3 ways that we can show or represent a number. So, the new number is 57. I want you to show me the 3 ways that you can represent the number 57 while I play a little music for you. I'm sure you're going to get this answer right, because it's a small thing to a giant, and all of you are giants. Okay, time's up. This is what you should have on your paper. First off, 5 and 7, it's not 5. We have 5 sets of 10. So we do TO. Let's draw 5 sets of 10. Well, that's really 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. We have 7 ones, which pictorial is going to be 7 units. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's how you represent 57 numerically, and this is how you represent it pictorially. And lastly, let's go ahead and show the expanded notation of this. So this is not 5. This 5 is 50 plus 7 equals 57. And we are back. So when we're dealing with place value, a lot of times it goes hand in hand with understanding, comparing two or more numbers. So vocabulary like greater than, less than, equal to. And you use a lot of those same skills that we just went over. So we are going to compare the numbers 87 and 78. And so this one, I will show you exactly how I taught your children. So first off, we have to review the vocabulary. Greater than. Greater than is where Pac-Man or Sneaky Pete wants to go eat. Why? He always goes to the greater number because he's greedy. Less than means that the number is less than the greater number. And we also have equal to. Equal to means they are the same in the ones place, same. They're just the same number. So whatever number that is in the tens place is in both numbers. Whatever number is in the ones place is in both numbers. So right now, step 1. Well, what do? Let's go ahead and put TO so we recognize the difference between the tens and the ones. Next step makes it very simple. And I've taught you, whoever has more tens wins. Well, let's start with the tens place. Well, I see that this is 8. This is 7. 8 is greater than 7. That 8 is actually 80. So you have 80 there. This 7 is actually 70. 80 is greater than 70. So 87 is greater than 78. All right, the next one, I want you to do all on your own. So I'm gonna put a new number up here and we're gonna compare that number together. And it's a small thing to a giant. You've been taught this and you guys are giants, so it should be no problem. So we're back. The number that you guys are gonna compare is 95 and 99. Don't fall for Sneaky Pete. I'll be right back. And we are back. This is what you should have had. Step 1, TO, tens and ones. Uh-oh. They have the same amount of tens. There's 90 in this number, 90 here. So 9 sets of 10, 9 sets of 10. Well, what do I do, Mr. Hill? Then you have to move to the ones place. So when we move here, 90 plus 5, 5 ones. When we move here, 90 plus 9, 9. Would you rather have 9 cookies or 5 cookies? Of course you'd rather have 9 cookies. So, Sneaky Pete's gonna go eat dinner at 99. 99 is greater than 95, or 95 is less than 99. Give yourself a hand. Last one for this small mini lesson, just a refresher. While I play with the music, go ahead and figure this problem out. Is it greater than, less than, or equal to? Time is up, and yes, I don't even have to explain this one. You can see here that they both have one set of 10, and they both have 1 in the ones place. Both numbers are the same. So 11 is equal to 11. Well, you guys, that's it right now. We just went over place value and we went over comparing two numbers using place value strategies. Thank you so much. I love you and I miss you. And thank you for being a part of Loving and Learning with Mr. Hill today. All right. Bye.